Okay, so for implementing the combo products, go to combo products and then create a combo product, and then simply name your combo product name, selling cost, description, long description, and let me just select the combo products and add selected products to combo, and then make it active and create combo. So this is your gain profit, and you can just view the combos here, and your buyer can just buy the combo from here. And to show your combo products here in the menu bar, you will need to go to the appearance and then menu manage, and then this menu, and add a custom link, put the URL. The URL will be this one. So you can replace this by your storefront URL and just add combos here and add to menu. But I have already this combo in my menu, so there is no need for it, and update changes. So this was the feature for combos.